Nate here at Dry Dock Marine Center. Today we're talking about a 2019 Nautique GS20. Amazing boat, great for doing everything you want to do on the water. Some red metallic here in the front. Tandem axle Boatmate trailer, along with Nautique's amazing Bimini system, one of the best on the market. As we make our way to the back of the boat here, you'll see these great transom seats, perfect for those days out on the sandbar watching the kids play. Sea deck on the swim platform and transom walk-through. Got a transom mounted stereo control. You don't have to get back in the boat to change the stereo and listen to the music you want. As we step up into the boat, you'll see one of the coolest features of Nautique is this transom walk-through. A lot of our other manufacturers, you have a big step to get up on there. Nautique has engineered this so it's a nice, easy transition from the swim platform into the boat. Really nice, big storage in the rear of these GS boats. Step up in the boat. As we go to step down in, you'll see it's got a removable seat cushion here so you don't have to step on the vinyl. But on days you want to pop that back in, it's great right there. Rear observer camera and a set of JL Audio 7.7 speakers. Swivel board racks, Roswell swivel board racks. Really rich feeling mocha interior on this, really makes this interior pop. Nice big glove box with a peek-through window there. If you start your phone in there, you can see your alerts. Best helm seat in the industry, really feels like a race-style seat. The throttle comes right over to you. The Link Panerai system with keyless ignition and the rotary dial system, so you can get to all your functions very easily right from your throttle hand. Great big oversized mirror as we move into the bow of the boat. Again, that rich feel of the mocha interior. If you have any question on this Nautique or any other Nautique here at Dry Dock, please give us a call.